Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm just sharing with you a do-it-myself little project. I'm not really a DIY type person, but since I moved into my new home and now that I'm retired, I have a lot of time on my hands to, just try to do some things myself where I don't always have to pay someone. So I'm discovering that the curtains that I had in my previous home are much longer than they need to be in this home. And I really do not want to take all of them to the seamstress. I did take 12 custom panels to the seamstress already, but the smaller panels, hopefully I can do them myself. In a previous video, I showed a video short of a mini sewing machine that I received for a collaboration several years ago. And I recently purchased a new sewing kit, just trying to get myself prepared. So what I aim to do is to hem some of the lighter curtains or, less expensive curtains myself, because I really just do not like my curtains to hang all over the floor or have this puddle or pool effect over the floor. I like them to sweep the top of the floor so that they look nice. Let me go ahead and give a shout out to everyone who has tapped into this video. I want to give a shout out to my longtime subscribers and a very warm welcome to those who have recently subscribed. I appreciate you joining my team and supporting my videos. So I recently moved in, as many of you know, unless this is your first time watching my videos. I recently moved from Florida to Georgia. And with the move came several changes. So many of the curtains that I was using in the prior home, they are not the right size for this home for the height of the windows, and I need to adjust them. So for the smaller panels, I've identified the ones that I believe I can hem or adjust myself, and that is what this video is. I'm going to do a small do-it-myself, use the miniature sewing machine and just see if I can take these curtains up or shorten them so that they fit the desired length that I need them to be. But if you'll just please continue watching, I'm gonna come back and show you the process, or what I did as far as using the sewing machine to get them to the right height. So now that I have the panels hung on both sides, I want to show you what I'm talking about as far as the length. And as you can see, you'll sneak just a quick peek of the beautiful view outside. It's a very nice day. This was a great day to do this. See what I'm talking about? These curtains are probably at least 6 inches too long. These curtains were in my formal dining room in the prior home. And this is the dining room that I'm in right now. I do move them to different rooms here and there, but I only have 4 panels, so I won't be able to do like a complete room. This is as close as I can come to the cream color chairs that I have in the dining room for now. I say for now because I will be changing these chairs out, at least the chairs, but possibly the whole table setting. So now you see I have my miniature sewing machine set up. I am not a seamstress by any stretch of the imagination, but I just said to myself I should be able to fold, thread the machine, and if nothing else, go in a straight line. So that's what I'm doing. This is panel number 1. It took me a while to get the bobbin to catch in this machine. That was because I was turning the knob the wrong way, so I kind of figured it out after 2 to 3 minutes of struggling with it. But nevertheless, I do have the machine up and operational, and you can see I'm just making a straight line. I did not cut the fabric. I just decided to fold it up where I needed it to be. I'm tacking it down. I'm double stitching it. I'm going to iron that new crease, and then later I will steam it. So that's kind of how I decided to go with all of the curtains that are the lightweight ones in the house. I think I have about 10 to 12 panels to do throughout my entire home. But the custom ones that were specifically made for the formal living room, I sent those to the seamstress because this little small sewing machine that I have, the needle will not go through the fabric at all, and they cost too much money, and I just don't want to ruin them. So this is what I'm doing as far as the smaller, lighter ones, and in a minute you will see how it turned out. So please keep watching. It took me a little bit, but I think they came out okay. So this is the finished product after I hemmed all 4 panels. This is 2 panels that you're looking at. I just have it spread out, but you know, where the 2 panels connect, would naturally connect, I have it close together to make it look like one. But as you can see, I think I did pretty good. This is the other side of the window. And as I said, I like them to just barely sweep the floor. So I'm just kind of adjusting the natural pleats, but I'm going to, when I decorate this room, I'm going to steam the curtains to get the rest of the creases out from here. And I just could not resist giving you another sneak peek of the front yard and the view that we have every morning. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Thanks again for hanging out with me on this do-it-myself project. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so you will see the final look with these curtains when I complete the decorating of this room. This is Freddie. I am Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one.